Hello, this is Craig Clafter, and this is Winchester Cathedral. And contrary to the 1966 song, it is not bringing me down. I've created this channel to help international students make well-informed decisions in choosing to study abroad. I hope you find this video useful. This video is about financing UK higher education. I will discuss cost of attendance, financial assistance, making payment, and banking in the UK. The cost of attendance includes tuition, accommodations, food, books, printing and photocopying, clothes and toiletry, and sports and entertainment. Keep in mind, full scholarships only cover tuition. For example, the University of Exeter reports that international tuition for arts, humanities, social sciences, including law undergraduate courses, is £18,500. Its estimate for accommodation, food, books, printing, and photocopying, clothing and toiletries, sports and entertainment is £9,135 a year, coming to a total estimated cost for the year of £27,635. Financial assistance includes scholarships, which are merit-based funding, bursaries, which are need-based funding, fellowships, which are merit-based funding for doctoral and postdoctoral study, and teaching assistantships, which are academic employment for doctoral students. This is pretty rare in the UK, but there are a few universities that are now offering teaching assistantships. Most financial assistance is awarded by the educational institutions themselves. There are UK government financial assistance, however. These include Chevening scholarships, which enable outstanding emerging leaders from select countries to pursue one-year master's degrees in the UK. Chevening fellowships enable mid-career professionals from select countries who have reached a position of influence and want to increase their knowledge, networks, and potential through tailored short courses, research, or professional placement at UK institutions. And Commonwealth scholarships fully fund students. So this is not just tuition, this is the total cost of attendance from Commonwealth countries in pursuit of taught master's or doctoral degrees who wish to study engineering and technology, theoretical and applied science, agriculture, or humanities and social sciences. There are some other major scholarships. These are privately funded, or a combination of private and government funding. All of these are highly competitive. Gates Cambridge scholarships for foreign students to pursue postgraduate study at the University of Cambridge. Marshall scholarships for United States students to pursue postgraduate study at any UK university. It requires a US bachelor's degree with a 3.7 minimum GPA in the last 3 years and to not have studied for a UK degree before. And the Rhodes Scholarship for students from select countries to pursue either a second undergraduate or a postgraduate degree at the University of Oxford. Applicants must exhibit literary and scholastic attainments, energy to use one's talents to the full, truth, courage, devotion to duty, sympathy for and protection of the weak, kindliness, unselfishness, and fellowship, and moral force of character and instincts to lead and to take an interest in one's fellow beings. International students are permitted to be employed during their studies unless their visa says otherwise. Some visas say that students are prohibited from taking employment. Assuming that is not the case, you are limited to 20 hours per week of work during term. During official vacations, work hours can be increased to full time. International students are prohibited from being self-employed, engaging in business activity, taking a permanent full-time job, being employed as a professional sports person, being employed as an entertainer, working as a doctor or dentist in training, unless on a foundation program. You can expect pay from £8.72 per hour. Some countries restrict international monetary transfers. If you live in such a country, check about the procedure for gaining permission to wire funds to the educational institution. Wire transfers are the most common way to transfer large sums of money internationally. It is being wired by your bank. Request wiring instructions from your institution of higher education. The custom is for the wiring party to pay for outgoing bank fees and the receiving party to pay incoming bank fees. Credit cards. Some institutions of higher education will accept credit card payment, sometimes imposing a processing fee. Check your spending limit to determine if this is an option. Cash. Transporting large sums of cash into the UK is risky and requires border disclosure forms and documentation. It is not something that I recommend. As for banking in the UK, most UK banks permit international students to open an account. The UK is mostly a cashless society. Most payments are made by credit card, and many banks offer credit cards to international students that bank with them. If you found this video useful, please indicate that you liked it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.